Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's had a nice weekend. So I'm going to take the courgette plant out. I've let one of them grow to a marrow. I've probably had about 20 pickings off it so far. That's just off of one plant. So to be honest, I'm never grew a courgette before, and this one was a great success. I don't think I've even ever tasted one, but I'm sick eating courgette and tomato soup. So we'll have a wheel. So that's the last bit. As you can see, where the other ones have been cut off. So I'm going to get that out and make a start on preparing that bed, and we'll have a wee look at some of the other bits. That's the last bit, that nice big marrow. There's a couple of small ones there, probably just throw them in the compost. Yeah, someone's been having a go at that. Probably rats. There's small ones in there as well still. So let's have a count up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. I'd say easily 20. Is that there for a minute? I'll maybe chopped up a bit there. So that's that. Tops out the bin, which is sitting at a reasonable temperature. So that will save me a bit of money next year. So let's have a wee look and see how everyone else is doing. That's the leeks that I put in. They've all started to straighten up, so they've took root. The chard in there. The cherry tomatoes. So my wasp nest down. You can see them in there. Nice spring onions it. Rhubarb. So next year. The squash, there's two there, there's another one in there, another one in there, one down there, a couple there. I don't suppose the law last, but I should get a few. It's the beetroot I let go to seed. Another one there. The squash is even coming up here, and it's going to have it into next door's jungle. So anyway, with that, once that beetroot comes out, I'll get that topped up and it'll be ready for next year's. Might put the garlic in there, I don't know yet, we'll decide it. That's probably going to be a strawberry bed next year, but again, I'm not totally decided on that either. I just took a picking of the runner beans. Oregano, I didn't think it was going to come, but it seems to be appearing now. So that'll be one for next year. These tomatoes, I really need to stake them up properly. You see they've not gone red yet, but they're becoming a fair size. Sweet corn, that could possibly be ready. Right, I'll leave that one there, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.